This little beauty here is my favorite topper so far. So this one, again, is the Upgrade Claire Plus Hair Topper. So it's a 6.5 by 6.5 inch base. So it's got a lot of coverage here on the tops and on the side. For me, my hair loss right now is mainly on the sides and the back. They get really scraggly looking. So this one has a lot of density. This one has a little bit more fullness than the regular Claire hair topper. So this is the Upgrade Plus. You get a little bit fuller, a little bit more hair. This is 100% Remy human hair, so you can style it, wash it like your own hair. It's super natural movement and flowy. This color is T414 Rooted Mocha, so it's got a really nice medium brown root. So the inside construction, we've got this monotop area is a 4 by 3.5 hand-tied area. So this whole part line is super natural, and you can part it however you want within that area. So you can do a center or either side, and the whole part's gonna look just like hair growing out of your head. And then it has the wefted back. The front of this one is a 4.5 inch area of 100% hand-tied lace. So if you have a hairline that you don't love so much, you can put this one all the way up and it's gonna look like a natural hairline. If you prefer, you can also put it a little farther back and blend your own hair into it. So very versatile, it'll work pretty much for any type of hair loss. Then the other cool thing about this one is that it has this halo wire here. This feature is really awesome. I've never had a hair topper with this before, but basically you put the little wire like a halo around the back of your head and it makes it really secure. So you're not having as much traction from the clips on your bio hair, and then the lace lays flatter in front because this halo wire just makes the whole thing lay flat. It's really much more comfortable to me, I think. So I'll go ahead and show you how to put it on. Ready to go. I put a couple curls in this. I like my natural hair is kind of wavy, but you can straighten it, curl it, braid it. You can do anything you want. Looks really natural here from the side, not as scraggly as my own bio hair. And that is it.